Well, Renee Devereaux is with me right now, the Club for Creative Expression, and you have brought along another dancer this time around, and her name is Tanya Cutts. Welcome. Nice to have you here today.
Nice to meet you.
And thank you. Thank you for having us. It's a pleasure to be here.
So tell me about this workshop coming up, and this is something that you teach along with your fellow dance partner, right?
So yes, we did this once, and we did together with my partner. We did swing and we did salsa. We will try remind same things what we did with people, but maybe we will start do something else, something more interesting, like merengue. It's just for fun. No need to be very serious dancers. It's just like social dance for people that they can enjoy to come in a nightclub, dance some merengue or salsa. And
okay. All right. So that's, I get it. So it's more instead of
social.
classic ballroom dancing, this is social.
Right, it's social.
Yeah.
It's social so that, you know, people get a sense of the dance.
Yeah.
Even though they may not, you know, want to do it all the time.
Right,
or be champions at it.
Yeah.
But nevertheless, they want to feel comfortable on the dance floor. And that's our objective, you know, with these workshops, to have people be comfortable so that they don't feel like they're just bouncing up and down.
Right. But you dance professionally.
Yes,
right?
I
You
did.
are with your partner, you go to, I guess they're called championship tournaments type kind of thing, right?
Yes, like first of all, what I did ballroom, but it was different partner. But with Alex, we did a Latin for 10 years, yes, and we did professional. But now we change our things with, we would like to do more social. But I will start maybe ballroom again, we will see.
Okay.
Don't
Now,
know yet.
how long have you been dancing?
I started when I was 6 years old. Now I'm 23.
Okay, so a long time.
Long time.
And you're from the Ukraine.
Yes.
What brought you over here? I've mentioned this to Renee before. So many people from the Ukraine seem to come over here, especially the dancers.
Correct.
Yes, so we came together with Alex and to do some dance here, and I would like to try create something here about dance, but we will see it. Don't know yet.
And we're showing some of your dancing in the background here. Where was this done?
It was in Ukraine. Actually, it was 3 years ago, and we did this promo for our very famous production. We did 2 years on board with Gene and Ryan company, and this one we did for this company.
Okay. So this is not what you're going to be teaching on the workshop?
Not yet.
Not yet.
No,
Soon.
we have a few more workshops.
Yeah. A few more workshops to go. And now this is, at this time that you did this, had you been to the United States before?
No.
Okay.
So before I've been just in Europe, and we did this video, and we came to America.
Okay.
After this one.
Right, and it's through Lawn Dance.
Okay.
And so, you know, they're working with us to bring and to, you know, have instructors.
Yeah.
And, you know, really get familiar with the United States, to be comfortable with the American people, and to have us learn their techniques, because they are different than what we learn here. So.
Yeah, I'm sure
it's a great benefit.
What about family? Do you have family here, or they're all back there?
Yeah, I have family, but it's still in Ukraine.
Okay.
But I'm just one child, and my family very miss me.
Yeah.
Yes.
I bet they do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it was also when I did cruise ships, I was away like for 8 months.
Oh, wow.
It was very similar than now, but for them it's difficult, and for me it's difficult, but they understood that I need this one and it's my life.
Yeah.
I don't have some other chance.
Yeah. So when you did the cruise ships, you would perform, or did you instruct on them?
Yes, I did performance
Okay.
with Alex together, and I was teacher also.
Okay.
So what I did, I had some group classes, I did private lessons for people, but usually we met a lot of couples who did before this stuff. Like
Okay.
they took a lot of lessons in their countries, and they came over prepared. Actually, they did good job. I just fixed something a little bit.
Well, very good. Well, this workshop is going on this coming Saturday, April 7th. It will be at Clubhouse 6 at 11:45 a.m. to 2. And it's $22 for resident club members, $25 for Laguna Woods Village residents, and $35 for non-residents.
That's correct.
Now, do they need to sign up in advance?
Well, I would really appreciate sending the check beforehand, but now we're running out of time, so I'd be happy to have people show up. Please be on time, 11:45,
Okay.
so that we can get started right at 12 for the 2-hour workshop.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
And I know you put on these all the time, so this is kind of nice you're doing this one.
I'm wanting to do it as regularly as possible.
Yeah.
Because people do want to learn to dance, to
Yeah.
improve their skills.
Yeah.
No matter how dedicated they are to dance, there's still something we can always learn.
That's true.
And practice,
Yeah.
practice, practice.
Practice, yep, there you go. Tanya, a pleasure meeting you. Thank you
to
very
meet
much.
you
Renee,
also.
as always,
Thank you.
always
And
good to
thank
see
you.
you.
Good to see you.
And again, this will be coming on this Saturday, April 2nd, Clubhouse 6 at 11:45. And if you're interested, I will give you Renee's number, 949-340-0254. You can call her for information. We'll be right back.